Welcome to the channel, Casting with Keo. Just pulled up here at the lake. It's looking kind of nice, a little windy. But okay. We got our boat right here, inflatable. I'm gonna put this together. Got all my stuff right here. On with the fishing poles. And I'm gonna show you how I blow this thing up. Stay tuned. As you can see, we got the boat inflated, got my oars attached. We out here in the middle of the lake. Not necessarily the middle, we up against the edge. We're doing a little fishing over here. Really, I just came out to test out this boat. I hadn't put it in the water for about 10, 11 years. Still holding up though. I have to get a bigger one though, but this one is nice day out here. Alright y'all, I just caught my first fish. As y'all can see, it's a little tiny guy. I'm gonna let him back though. I could use him for bait. I'll throw this little guy back. Casting with Keo, we catch him big and small, baby.